How to install pedals on a BMX bike. Now there's two things to remember. The right hand side is a normal thread, so you tighten it going clockwise. But the other side, the left hand side, is a reverse thread, so you tighten it by going counterclockwise. So we're going to install the right hand side first. Just add a bit of grease on. And this tightens clockwise. As so. So just clamp on with the base of the pedal, 15mm spanner in this case. Just tighten up, as so. Just tighten up, just grab the base, the crank, tighten. There we go. Now for the left hand side, again add some grease. Now it's the reverse thread. So go counterclockwise to tighten. And again, with the 15mm spanner, keep tightening counterclockwise. So it's totally tight. Just grab the base here, tighten up, and you're done.